Hey guys, this is Abby here with Dragon Empress, and I'm going to show you guys something a little neat. I'm going to show you how I make my thumbnails. Okay, typically a YouTube thumbnail is like the either best or worst part of YouTube. You either clickbait it with boobs, or you lie to the viewer about what they're really watching. Like one time I thought there was gonna be a bird with sunglasses in one of these cute bird videos, but I did not see a budgie with sunglasses anywhere in that video whatsoever. So yeah, I usually go to my files and click a new image, either that or I set the thumbnail size here and draw the thumbnail myself. But usually I'm unoriginal and take images off of the original video and put it on there. But for now I'm gonna show you how I originally do it. Create the file, go on my computer, and I look through my pictures. And it's a good looking thumbnail or size, I pick that certain image. I know my gallery is weird. But nevertheless, usually pick images from the get-go. So for example, if I want to make a Cuphead video, I use this as a thumbnail. And I try to edit out the colors and make it look more presentable. Sorry about the bad audio. My buddy's gonna get me a new Yeti mic for Christmas. Well, late Christmas. So hopefully that goes well. But yeah, the program I'm using here is Sumo Paint. You can get online for free. As you can see, some of the features aren't unlocked. Too bad. And if you want the features unlocked, you could pay monthly subscription for the full version. But I'm cheap, so I don't do that stuff. Come on, I'm an artist with no job. Help me out here. Anyways, let's talk through this. Design a bit more cartoonier. The idea of a thumbnail is to capture a viewer's attention. So you don't just want boobs or a red circle for a thumbnail. You want something action-packed like this, or something dynamic or cute. I know I did some sexual clickbait. I mean, check out my my weird voiceover video for more of that when the diamonds aren't around, but other than that, I usually don't do sexual thumbnails because it's just not me, you know? If you want your thumbnail to really pop, use bright colors. Because I just noticed in the algorithm, YouTube usually doesn't take dark colors too well. I find that very strange and very stupid since kids are often going on YouTube, which I don't know why. Their parents should be watching them, but it's just the way life works, fortunately. Unfortunately. Man, I can't speak today. Sorry if I'm a little slow with this. A thumbnail doesn't always have to be action-packed or cute. It could be whatever your video is about, yet it enhances the view. But if your thumbnail doesn't have anything in the video at all, then at least make it a little bit similar to my video. I mean, to your videos. So sorry. Oh my gosh. I need a script. Honestly, guys, I need a script. Nevertheless, in my kiss video, it's completely opposite of what is actually in the video. The thumbnail is complete opposite. So I tried to make it similar to the like OKKO meme I put at the end with rad kiss. So yeah, that's what I mean. Oops. Your thumbnail doesn't have to be perfect. And like I said, arrows and circles, those red things, they're a big no-no. They're just a cheap way to like attract the viewer's attention. Just a cheap way to attract the viewer's attention, as Jasper would say. Okay, and if you want your thumbnail to really pop out, you can either add effects, like paint effects, or you could put a filter over your little video. In this case, filters aren't available because, well, I don't have the full version, I can only adjust the brightness. Yeah, you add effects like this, or you blur it like this, or if you want to be more pizzazzy, you could add stars to your thumbnails. Like I said, this program is for free. My art teacher John helped me discover it. I don't know where he is now since I've been out of high school. Plus, you need to make this image a little bigger. Now, for the font, it's the fun part. It's the title of your video, basically. Or you want to put a phrase related to your video. Like, this video is about this, or this video is about that. In this case, this video was about Cuphead and my OC John getting chased by Bonbon. So I'm going to go to fontmain.com, or you could go to other free font websites. And that's how I got the Cruniverse font on my thumbnails. And then you could pick millions of free fonts. Some of them aren't available, like the movie ones, but some of them are. I mean, try to avoid some copyright fonts so you don't get strikes, because YouTube's too strict these days with kids and copyright. Let's try an old-fashioned font. Beautiful. You can make it any color you want, as long as it doesn't clash with these colors here. But I might need a smaller size font since it's taking up a lot of space. And save it. So yeah. Now I go to File, Open, and there we go. Copy, Control, Alt, paste. You see, that's like cluttering. You don't want your thumbnail to clutter. So let's shrink that font right there. Or if you want your font to be bigger, big and chunky, you could do like this. So yeah, like I said, this program is free. It pretty much works like Photoshop. Save. And there we go.